So I wanted to make a quick video about object tracking with a moving camera as opposed to like a static camera, which you would do just a normal 8-point track, for instance. Providing your camera focal length and everything is not moving, you just do an object solve using the Blender's thing. But if the camera's moving, and it might work with the Blender, but this GeoTracker uses geometry instead of points. So I'm going to do something similar to this. And I used this pixels, this footage here from these people, cool shooters, and then I got the patron and got this model, Ford Escort model. So I'll just go through the process. So the first thing we need to do is just delete that and that, and we go. Oh no, keep the camera. And we'll go, let's say, to the VFX motion tracking just to load in the. I guess, in fact, we don't need to do that. Let's go layout. I don't think. We go N, GeoTracker. Oh, we need to create a plane for the ground plane. So let's do that. I'll just create any old thing. I don't know. It's sort of 6 meters wide or something. Scale 4. So it's 6 for the width of the road, and maybe subdivide that. Subdivide. Okay, something like that. Okay, that will do for now. Maybe let me just select the edges. Because we sort of need a ground plane for this to work. I'm only going to do the first part, the hot part of the shot, because it didn't work for the entire thing. So anyway, so something like that. Okay, and then if we go into the camera and we go, let's say something like a 24mm. Let me just put the. So this is the sort of initial setup, which you could probably do with F-Spy to get the actual for it to work out the correct lens and stuff. I'm just eyeballing it. So camera backdrop, background image, open, movie clip, open, and then I'll go downloads, and we'll go with the car. And great, okay, so then we want to lock the camera to so that we can navigate get it roughly lined up. So something like this. Okay, looks alright to me. Maybe make it into a wireframe. So if you go to object properties, viewport, wireframe. And just stick it in transparent for now. Okay, something like that. Okay, that looks roughly right. I mean, it's not perfect, but as I say, you could use the S-Spy thing. So then to the GeoTracker thing. So create. Okay, we'll select the movie clip. Select the ground plane, which is already selected. Select the camera, it's already selected. Great. Okay. So then we go start pin mode. Okay, and this is where the tracking starts. So then you just hit forward track. So it's similar to the. Off it goes. Oh yeah, sorry. You have to write out. You can write out a cache. I forgot that bit. Yeah. Anyway. So anyway, brakes. That's fine because we're only going to use the first bit of it. Okay. I'm just going to exit pin mode and just see where it does brake. So it goes a bit mental around here, just so I know where to stop. Why is that? Oops, I'm in the wrong mode. We're in the object's moving. Let's undo that. And go select camera and then go start pin mode and then go forward track. Okay, so then we get the camera solve. This is a cool thing. I didn't realize it could do the camera solving as well. So this is kind of cool that it can do that. And then it's going to freak out. Okay, so let's just exit that so we can see the wireframe, see where it works and where it doesn't work. It starts to break around here as we run out of geometry. So that's anyway. So up to there. Let's set the end. So yeah, 165, and then import the. I did it like an OBJ of the car. I think I had to scale it up initially. So there's the car. Okay, and Let's rotate it. Let's get it roughly right. I think it might be, the scales might be slightly off, so might have to scale it up. Scale. Okay. Okay, something like that. And then we go into geometry and we select the car body as the tracking object. Start the thing. Oops, undo that. Oh no. Okay, back to, I had to switch those off so I can zoom in a bit. Okay, back to the thing. Start. Oh god, where's the? Oops. Play. Oh right, sorry. We need to select the car. Start. Right, there we go. Now we have the car. So let's just move it over there a bit. Okay, over there. This is very much like the face builder plugin that they also make. I think they'd also do like face tracking. I was trying to. Well, maybe that's just part of this as well. No, I seem to remember it. Did they have a? You have to does like facial animation, I think. Okay, something like that. Get it as close as we can. I don't know how accurate the model is, so there is a sort of chance that we're going to be slightly out or something. But for the yeah, okay, happy with that. And then we'll go track backwards. I'm sort of curious to know. I know in Top Gun they did a load of, and this in Lightwave I seem to, like previs and stuff. But you know they filmed real jets, and then they replaced them with the jets that they wanted, CG jets. So the flight dynamics were all the sort of based on reality. And I'm wondering if you could use this to do like if you've got real airplane footage. Anyway, so then we've done that. We'll go refine. That will refine between the one and the thing. So just go refine. This is very much like PF track, has something very similar to this. It's geometry tracking. And so it's kind of a bit wonky there. Okay, and then we'll go refine all. So that will go between. You can see down there the keys. That's fine. Okay, now we'll carry on with the track. Whoops. Okay, well then it goes all a bit crazy. Oh, we'll lose the car, don't we? So. Yeah, we might have to. I'm gonna have to just leave the end bit because it's gonna be. I think we'll stop just. Wonder if it's my lens. It's not quite right. Okay, so we've got refine all. So it's quite quick. I mean, whether it's actually accurate enough. I mean, I haven't really used it in anger on it, on a real production yet. So it's kind of I sort of used the point tracking method, but it's still pretty cool. Getting real. I'm just thinking it'd be kind of interesting to get like a really good car chase and I don't know, bullet or something, and recreate it or something, and then I guess you could blast it out in Unreal. Let's try it in the. Okay. Okay. Yeah, so there you go. So then once we exit, oh, there's a little, oops, there's little weird little pops. Maybe I should go refine all. Hopefully that will get rid of those little pops. But yeah, I'm quite impressed. I don't know, why is it doing that? Okay, it's exit. I'm just going to see what our camera track, if our camera track does weirdness. No, camera track is good. Maybe if I retrack it between the pops. So if we go like so, can I just select those? Let's just retrack it. Oh, what was the, okay. Next count, delete keyframes. Okay, let's try that. And this just does the current one, does it? Oh, before and after. What's that one? Clear tracks between. Oops. Okay, well let's undo that. Well, let's do that. And we'll track it backwards. See if that gets rid of that problem for us. Okay. Oh, still got that. Can we shove it over? It's going to mess it all up again, isn't it? Let's try. Drag that over. Final. See if that gets rid of that pop for us. Oops. Oh, it's still processing, right? Yeah. So that's. Oops. Now we've got one over here. Hmm. Fine there. See that? I think what is that? There's another one over there. Fine. Final. I mean, it's pretty quick. I was just thinking, like, if you had a car, if you had to put like a dent in the door panel or something, this would be pretty good. Or remove a logo, or put an advert on it or something. Okay, I'm going to stop the video there. I think this is, I mean, you could definitely use it. It's sort of, like I say, if maybe I'd get better results if I knew the actual lens or did a proper match with F-Spy. I'm going to stop the video there. Okay, that's it. Oh, well, actually, before I do that, let's see what it looks like in 3D. So exit that, just because it always looks kind of interesting to see how it moves. Because then you can see if there's, how well it's done it. because it's you know, obviously the camera track needs to be super nailed for this to work. And then the first bit and it works fine. It's just up here at the end. So anyway, that's it. I'm going to stop the video.